Hey, as you guys can see, she is so excited. Me, on the other hand, I'm not. I'm sure you saw the title of the video and I'm like, I can't do it. But now I'm determined because she wanted it. So I'm just gauging to see what type of mood we'll be in for the next 6 hours. I'm trying to see if her hair is really thoroughly detangled. If you haven't seen the blow dry method I use, it will be linked down below or up here somewhere. But I'm using this Shine and Jam because I noticed with Sydney's hair that it kind of loosens the curls up and it's easier to maneuver through. It's easier to section. So before every section, I go ahead and apply the Shine and Jam. So now I apply some of the Shine and Gem at the top for the next section so it can just be ready and my comb can easily slide through. Now I'm going to clip everything out the way because with short hair, for me, it's hard to grip. I don't know about you guys, but my hands are thicker and you want to create space for your hands and you don't want to get anything in the way of braiding. So if you need to clip that other half of the hair away, go ahead and do that, but I'll be fine. As you can see, Sydney's hair did get a little bit of length. It's growing and I had to cut my nails off. Like I said, you don't want anything to get in your way of braiding short hair. And I did use the interlocking method of braiding because this allows you to already have 3 pieces of hair. You guys know in my other videos, I'll link some down below. When I teach you to use your hair as a 3rd piece, but with short hair, you cannot do that. So that's why I'm using this technique of braiding. And look, it's going to be a good day, y'all. It's going to be great. That's the type of mood we're going to be in. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to show you guys everything. And if I feel like I need to pop back in to tell you something, that's what I'll do. Okay, so after watching hours of Blackish, that's Sydney's favorite show, we are done. Can't believe I really braided her short undercut. I mean, it wasn't really short, but for me, I really can't grip short hair. So for me, this is a victory. And for her, I didn't want to tell her, no, it's too short. So I said, I'll try and we'll see what I can do, you know. So I'm starting at the top of her hair and it's been a couple of days since the blow dry. So the top of her hair, she kind of sweated out when she was sleeping and everything. So it got puffy at the top and it was hard to really get the comb through it. So this is what I'm going to show you guys after I part each section. I don't know, guys, if it's just me, but I like to braid in sections because once one section is finished, it feels like the rest is easier to do. Like one section down, you got 2. It's easier. It seems like time is going faster. Let me know if you guys, you get what I'm saying or if you do that. But so I couldn't get the comb through. So I started finger parting and it was really rough. So I took that Shine and Gem like I told you guys before, and I'm going to put it through anywhere. It doesn't have to be, it has to be in the area that you're going to be sectioning. So I'll put that down, let it marinate a little bit, and then I'm going to take the end of the comb, and you see how much easier it is to get through the hair. Shine and Gem is it, honey. I love it. So I'm going to go ahead and section her hair, and I'm going to make the part straight, because I feel like with when you're braiding hair, you have those parts have to be neat. Nobody wants ugly parts. If you have ugly parts, then your braids are going to be ugly, period, for me. So like I stated up here, it was kind of more rough for her with her longer hair because it did kind of sweat out. So I had to be more careful. And I'm just going to show you how I got the Blue Magic. The Blue Magic is always near. Look at the canister in the back. It's almost gone. Then I'm showing you the locking method, what I'm doing. I split her hair in two. I interlocked the braiding hair, and then I place it on her hair, and then I'm just braiding down. But the Blue Magic help, her hair is going to be very moisturized when I take these braids out. I don't know how long I'll leave them in, probably a month. I don't know, but it's going to be so convenient for our lives because she starts school back on Tuesday. So I am finished and it is looking good. What do you guys think? Thumbs up if you like the finished product, and share this video also. I'm going to dip the ends. I feel like I love this, and as you guys know that I allow Sydney to pick the colors and have fun with her hair, because it's a struggle when we do her hair. So when she sees the finished product, I want her to be happy. So I allow her to pick the hairstyle that she wants or the color. She did want this green, and it was like 1,000 inches long, and I'm like, girl, no, you're doing too much right now. So she does have boundaries, but I allow her to have fun with her hair. This is pretty much the end. I'm going to dip the ends and add the setting lotion to her hair to make it all smooth and nice. But I thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Like, what are you waiting for? Please share. Y'all, please like this video, because YouTube, if you don't get likes, they don't show your video. So please like this video, share it with your family members, share it with someone who has Sydney's hair type or Sydney's short hair or an undercut. Thank you guys. I love you guys, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.